I were just nominated for the ALS challenge. According to the rules, you're supposed to take a bucket of ice water and dump it on our heads. Well, we don't believe in that.
Say it again, say it again.
We decided to go big or we go home. So right now we add water. We got water right here. Spin it around.
This is how we do it in Argentos. Don't forget that.
We got a big bucket. We got a big bucket of water right here. Here's our ice. There's our ice. Is that good for you guys?
No. That's,
I think we should get another bucket of ice. Don't you think?
Nah, man. That's.
All right.
Nah, man.
We gotta nominate 3 more people. I nominate.
I say more ice. I say bring more ice. Bring more ice. Oh,
Bring out the ice.
you know what? Yeah, boy.
That's a bucket of ice.
Yeah.
I nominated Tim, Steve Williams, Steve DeBella, and Tyler.
No, stay over there.
Thank you, Sal. You just saved yourself from my ass whipping.
1, 2, 3.
Go in it. Go in it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
That's awesome! Woo! That nigga go home! Woo! I don't have to worry about seeing my dick for a couple hours.
Hold on, Sal. Let me see how true it is.
Yep.
Alright.
They don't have to go home. They went big.
You gotta submit. Alright. Now, just want to say that the reason why this was done, because we turned on the news this morning, we saw Governor Christy with this little bucket of a little sand bucket.
This is how we do it in New York.
Go big or go home. Go big or go home.
Let's go one.
Only in Argentos. Only in Argentos. Oh, and we got beer. This is turning off. I'm getting drunk.